question of today is, how can I keep in mind enamine and imine chemistry? First of all, what is an enamine? Well, this is easy. As you know, an ene, stands for an olefin, an alkene. Here we have an alkene. And if an alkene substituent is sitting at an amine, then it's an enamine. And now we should keep in mind an imine is a tautomer of an enamine. Here we have an equilibrium, a tautomer equilibrium between enamine and imine. The position of that hydrogen has changed, and therefore also the position of the double bond has changed. Here we have a carbon-nitrogen double bond. And generally the equilibrium is on that side, on the side of the imine, just as it is the case for the carbonyl group here and its equilibrium with the tautomer the enol. How are those enamines and imines synthesized? Generally by a condensation reaction with a carbonyl compound. Here we have a primary amine and here a carbonyl compound, acetic aldehyde, with, in general, acidic catalysis. Water is eliminated, so a condensation reaction, and this imine would then be the result in equilibrium with a minor amount of that enamine. Now it's interesting, here we have a primary amine. Let's compare a primary amine, a secondary amine and a tertiary amine. As we have seen here, with a primary amine we can make a condensation reaction and we'll get to the imine and enamine tautomers. With a secondary amine we cannot synthesize an imine by condensation, since, well, for an imine we have a nitrogen-carbon double bond, and here two additional substituents are already sitting at the nitrogen, so then we have 4 bonds, and therefore this nitrogen would carry a positive charge. This is not an imine, but an iminium cation. And going to a tertiary amine, there is no way for a condensation reaction with a carbonyl compound. This would react just as a base and would deprotonate the aldehyde in alpha position. Thanks for listening.